When simultaneous 5-axis is part of your manufacturing process, the path to running the machine can be overly complex and wildly expensive. Fusion 360 includes full 5-axis toolpaths alongside the 2- and 3-axis milling capability, and maintains consistency across operations. No massively complex dialogues or menus. Use tilting to cut with shorter, more rigid tools to reduce chatter and improve surface finish. Fusion will automatically tilt the tool when an interference is detected, avoiding collisions with the tool or the holder. Cut with the side of the tool, using the full flute to cut beveled edges, resulting in better surface finish and shorter machine time. Use lead, lag, and side tilting parameters to improve cut conditions where the tool meets the material, creating a high-quality surface finish and reducing tool wear. Cut to or from a point or curve to optimize the strategy for the geometry of your parts with tool axis limits for greater control. Leverage simultaneous 5-axis in Fusion 360 to decrease machine setup time, streamline your process, and produce high-quality parts. All this and more in Fusion 360.